Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is part 2 of my son's bedroom makeover in my unfinished basement. I have put up the curtains that we were waiting for from Amazon, as well as one of the strip lights. Today I will be sharing with you how I am placing the second row on the floor, the perimeter of his room. And we already have his rug down. We have his desk and his gaming chair. And in part 3, we will be sharing with you a DIY on something that I found at Valley Thrift. And we will probably be doing the finished touches in part 3, hopefully. If not, we will probably be a part 4, and that will be the reveal. But I feel like we are almost at the finish line. So I just wanted to come on real quick and share with you all. We are still in the process of this unfinished basement room redo, or actually makeover. And excuse, we have family here and we're, winding down. It's school is out and it's summertime, so you may hear a little extra noise than usual. But with all of that being said, I hope you all are doing well, keeping your spirits high, and let's get into this video. All right, guys, we have lights around the perimeter of the floor as he requested. And we did the double up due to we're not wanting it to come into the walkway of his area. And we do have it going up top as well. And this is 150 feet of light. This is the brand that he purchased. They were $9.99 on Amazon. I will have the link down below. It comes with a remote control, and this is the power source right here. You just connect the strips to the box, and that is the plug. One small cord. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to part 2. We will be back with part 3, and I will be making a box for that. And I also will be DIYing him. One moment. Okay. I will also be DIYing him a file cabinet into a dresser. I will, that will be in part 3. And guys, I cannot wait for you to see the awesome deal that I found for his DIY dresser. It is amazing. You are going to be like, girl, you did that. So with that being said, I thank you so much for tuning in. And I know it's taking some time for these videos, but I am working on several different projects. And 2 of these projects are out of the home. So you will be caught up and in the loop real soon. So everyone, I thank you for rocking with me. Continue to click on my channel whenever I upload a video. So make sure your notification is turned on. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you guys later.